Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Did you know you can add a Q&A feature to your YouTube shorts? This feature helps boost engagement by allowing viewers to ask directly in your shorts. Let's go step by step on how to enable and use it. The first step is to open the YouTube app. Make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. And open the YouTube app. Just search for the YouTube app on your mobile device. See here, I'm on my YouTube app. Then click on the plus button in the bottom middle right here to create a short. You can choose between a video, live or post. In this case we're gonna choose a video. Now I got to choose a random one. And here we're gonna add the Q&A. And to enable it, after recording or selecting the video, go to the caption section and look for the add Q&A option and tap it and enter a prompt like ask me anything and drop your questions below to encourage engagement. After that, post your shorts with Q&A after adding your Q&A prompts and publish your shorts as usual. And viewers will now see the option to ask questions directly in the comment section. Respond to as many questions as possible to boost interactions and use pinned comments to highlight interesting or common questions. And consider making a follow-up short to answer popular questions. If you like this video and found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.